Here I am taking apart the V5 atomizer. First, you'll want to unscrew all 4 of the hex screws that keep the heater wires fastened. Now, the reason why we have 2 extra ones is because if you ever want to get a new ceramic deck, you can put dual coils on that same atomizer and run it with coils instead of the cup. But yeah, you want to get these hex screws out. And then once you get the hex screws out, you'll easily be able to slide up that spacer and that heater that's on top. So next we have the 510 pin. Now if it's caked on, it's going to be hard to get off. You'll have to use some force, but this one's pretty loose. So I was just able to unloosen it with a dab tool, start it, and then I was able to unscrew it with my hand. As I'm unscrewing it, the block you can see is coming up. Either the 510 pin will come out or the block will go up. You can see the block's just going up, and once I'm done unscrewing it, that block should come out. You'll notice there's an insulator around that block. You'll want to check to see if that's good, and you'll notice that there's an insulator around the 510 brass pin, and you'll want to make sure that's good if you're seeing any resistance changes or anything. And this pretty much is all of the V5 right there, taken apart. Have a good day.